No! Drop it! Drop it!
One call, a man with a butcher knife, standing in front of a school. On March 10, 2026, Sacramento police officers respond to a report of an armed individual near a school. While units are still en route, a Sacramento County Sheriff's Office helicopter locates the suspect. From above, they issue multiple commands, telling him to drop the knife, but the suspect ignores every one of them. Still armed, still standing in front of the school, officers arrive on scene and attempt to talk him down, but he refuses. Instead, he charges at the officers.
What is the location of the emergency?
Elementary. Somebody's walking around with a knife.
On the campus?
Yeah.
Kind of walking around with it?
Yeah, he's chasing people who get close to him.
How big is the knife?
It's pretty big. You can notice it from
like a butcher knife?
Yeah, like a butcher. No, actually a butcher knife.
It is a butcher knife, like a knife you would cut, like meat with?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Here is the video from Officer 1's perspective.
Sir, put down the knife! Sir, put down the knife! Sir, please, put down the knife! Stop! Charles 16, he's walking towards me with the knife. I have him at gunpoint. He's not cooperative. Sir, please put down the knife! Sir, what do you need from me? Can I help you? Put down the knife, please. I don't want to hurt you. Just put it down. Sir, put it down. Don't do it. Don't do it, sir, please. You gotta put it down. You gotta put it down. Listen, don't do it. No, it's not. I will shoot you. Put down the knife now. Sir, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife. Hey, give me a list, lethal. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. No. Hey, give me a taser and a less lethal now. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. 16 shots fired. Shots fired. One down. Code 3 fire. Sir, where's the knife?
Drop the knife.
Where is it? Where is it? Hold it. No, stay with me. Stay with me. Where's the knife?
Where's the knife?
Hey, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. You got it? All right, moving.
Here's the incident from Officer 2's body cam perspective.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Please! Drop the knife! Hey, give me a little lethal. Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it!
Drop it, please!
Drop it! No! Hey, give me a taser and a less lethal now!
Got taser!
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! 16 shots fired, one down, code 3 fire. Moving. Ready?
Hands.
Ready.
Go.
Hey, grab a med kit now.
Sam 1, use the chain, starting up. Fire spray damage, go for it.
Hey, gloves?
Am I bleeding or what?
No, we're trying to take care of you, bud. Alright. Hey, Pat. Any other weapons?
Okay.
Got stuff in the right pocket?
Okay.
Some phone? Alright, we got one GSW to the stomach.
Give me chest seal.
Chest. Yeah, running man. Scissors.
I got scissors here.
I got it. Go for it. Stance. You're gonna be fine, bro. We got you, alright? Alright, so one to the stomach.
One to the stomach, chest seal.
Give you another chest seal for the belly button.
Bring me that.
The investigation later revealed the suspect himself was the one who called 911. He was transported to the hospital, treated for gunshot injuries, and later released. He was then booked into jail and charged with multiple counts of assault with a deadly weapon. This case shows just how fast everything can change. Officers arrive, commands are given, an opportunity to end it peacefully. They try to de-escalate, but in seconds, everything changes. The threat becomes immediate, and in that moment, there is no more time. Officers are forced to act, to protect themselves, and anyone else nearby, under established legal standards, including Graham versus Connor. Use of force is judged based on what a reasonable officer perceives. At the moment, force is applied, not with the benefit of hindsight. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters and what does not. And to the men and women who step into danger, to protect lives they have never met, we honor your courage, your discipline, and your service to the communities you protect and to this nation. Stay aware, stay safe. We will see you on the next case.